So I found some guides online and basically took a little bit from here and there, different guides, and picked up this digital protractor for like 12 bucks on Amazon. And you know, who doesn't have a bunch of steel lying around in their garage? So
that's, yeah, true. Cost of this whole thing, because you have what, this is digital. Oh, it's a digital protractor.
Yeah, I was honestly like 12-15 bucks on Amazon or something like that.
Oh shit.
And I mean, steel and a welder. I mean, I guess that's the one thing, is it's kind of hard to do without a welder, but I'm sure you can figure something out. I mean, even just a straight piece of steel cut with the protractor on its side, like, it'll still work. With this thing, it has a calibrate button so that you can actually, it doesn't have to be perfectly on zero. You know, if your driveway is not exactly level, you can level it at the driveway, put the stock on the wheel, and it'll still give you accurate camber, even if you're not on a level surface. So
fancy circus, a level circus.
So
that's dope. I'm kind of curious how that string method will work, because I've seen it on the forums before, but I'm not
100% on exactly.
Well, I mean, no, I'm sure a lot of other people can do it, but I know I can't, like, accurately.
From what I've heard, it's pretty easy. I mean, and some people.
So they say.
So they say. So they say.
Every tutorial ever.
Right? Nothing too crazy. I don't know if that's going to be long enough since you're tucking, but.
Since I'm tucking.
You're tucking.
Wait, so. Oh, that's right. Oh, so it's you measured it for a 17-inch wheel.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. But basically, it'll sit on there like that.
Let's see what it says. Should be like.
Hold on. Cool.
You're calibrating it?
Okay. What you got?
7 degrees. Which is right.
Pretty. Oh, is that what you had it set to?
Yeah, I think it was like 7 or 6. I don't know. It's like 6 or 7, somewhere around there.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I wouldn't be surprised. I think we're like kind of up on the wheel here, or we're up on the tire here and down on the wheel there, just because I really need to shave some of this off. It's a little long, but I mean, ballpark close. It's definitely not going to be as good as getting an alignment, but
for what is it, $20, $30?
Yeah, for something that I got 20 bucks in, and it's just going to be good enough to get this thing roughed in so that it'll be drivable to get to the tuning shop, and I'll have Cosmic align it properly with the shop too, but.
So you're gonna have Cosmic tune it then?
Yeah, apparently they just dropped their rates. So they'll do like a single map bass tune for 650 bucks.
Oh, that's cheap. Yeah. For like a tune. Ah, this steering wheel. Every time I come here, the steering wheel is just like so nice.
Have you seen this at all?
I saw you posted it on Instagram, yes. Oh, so you cut off the runners on here?
Yep.
Holy shit.
I'm gonna actually I'm gonna cut them a little bit farther back, shave them down, and I'm thinking about drawing up some shit in CAD and having the CNC guys at SAM make a connection piece from here to here that actually makes them line up, because you can see there's a bit of a gap here.
It's a little off.
Here. It's a little off, yeah. So I'm gonna cut it back down a little bit so we got a little bit of a space, and I'm gonna have this little aluminum piece, basically like aluminum inserts that'll jog over and tie them all together. And then using these boots as a mold to make carbon fiber velocity stacks, and then I'll have the carbon fiber plenum.
So this is from what you said, GSXR?
Yeah, GSXR 1000 throttle bodies.
Wow.
So bone stock, S14 upper intake manifold.
That's badass.
Yeah. So just like a little fuck around side project. Having the Mega Squirt makes it more or less drop in.
This thing?
Yeah.
Don't you have to tune it differently? Since
not particularly, no. I mean, it's still.
Oh, it still has one like.
It's got. Yeah, it's actually got the exact same linkage setup as the 240 does. Like, I don't even have to swap cables. The cable straight up falls in there.
It's like it was made for it.
Pretty much. The TPS sensor right here, being a Mega Squirt, they're both 3-wire TPSs. All I have to do is splice this TPS in and recalibrate it, and then that's good to go. It's already got 4 ports for map sensor, 1 port for a brake booster.
Ooh. That's dope.
It's as drop in as it gets.
Damn. Someone else has already done this before, right?
There's a few people that have already done this, yeah. There's actually like a pretty decent guide
on how to do it yourself.
Straight up Googling KA24D ITBs, and one of the first things is like a WikiHow leak
on how to do it.
Yeah.
Damn,
Yeah,
that's
and it's
crazy.
got pretty good pictures. You know, one of the few sites that hasn't been grenaded by the photo bucket rule changes.
Oh,
that
God.
killed every walkthrough on
I feel like,
forums.
yeah, every DIY I find and
Every
look
single
up,
one.
it's just everyone,
Every
yeah.
single one.
It's just worthless now.
Yep. That's the issue that I've been having with my coil on plug setup, because you know this thing's still got a drop-in like mechanical distributor, and when people are running standalones, a lot of them like to switch over to coil on plug. And I got the LS plugs, or I got the LS coil packs for it right around the time that the photo bucket thing happened, and now all of a sudden every single walkthrough on how to like rewire the Mega Squirt and splice the coil packs in.
It's all screwed up. It's
all
all
gone.
fucked.
Every
Yeah.
one of them gone. So I've got a bunch of these like obscure descriptions like if you cross this wire that I have circled in this picture to this wire I have squared in the same picture, it's like sweet. Well, that
What
doesn't help
picture?
me. That doesn't help me at all. So yeah, so I've got LS coil packs waiting to set up the sequential injection and the coil on plug, and I just have no idea where to even start with wiring them.
Are you gonna do that before you get it tuned, or just
No.
get it tuned first?
I'm gonna get it tuned as
Yeah.
is. Same thing with with the ITB setup. Like that's all side stuff. It'll be this thing needs to be locked down and rock solid as it sits, and that's all
I agree.
Stuff. That's all stuff when the built K gets dropped into it. So
I agree.
what I need to do as far as getting these tires to clear, because they're obviously not coming close to clearing as is. Basically seeing if like we can use a fender roller to pull them out, or if I just need to stop fucking around and buy over fenders. Well, that's more so I need to pull these fenders more.
What if it just like pulls it if you just keep compressing it?
Who's thinking this? That's funny as fuck. No, I'm just gonna bring the fender roller home on Monday. It started when I first kicked it on, and immediately came to a dead stop again.
All right, let's go drive.
Right?
Hey, like you were able to press on the gas.
Barely. You gotta hit it just right, because that's the biggest problem right now, is just that dead zone right there.
Why don't you just keep bucket with a Mega Squirt?
Because the laptop screen won't come on anymore.
Yeah, I heard a little bit of turbo spool there. Nope.
Well, that was your first problem, is you tried to think. Did you hurt yourself when you tried that?
And then it'd be fine.
I mean, if it fucks up, what's the worst that could happen?
I braked
Just
it.
bent control.
You gotta get new tie rods anyway. So if it snaps it, get new tie rods.
Do you not realize what else gets fucked up if you snap a tie rod?
Not much.
Everything.
That's pretty dope.
Yeah, man. This thing fucking scoots. And I just love it because it's more of like a bicycle type feel because it's so upright.